Hello everyone, in this video, we will see how to watch local channels on LG TV. First, plug your antenna into the RF antenna input on your LG TV. This input is typically labeled antenna, RF in, or something similar. Go to your LG TV settings by pressing the settings button on your remote. In the settings menu, look for an option related to channel setup or channel tuning. This might be under the channels or broadcasting section, but the exact location can vary based on your TV model. Choose the option to scan for channels or auto-tune channels. This process will search for available local channels that your antenna can pick up. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the channel scanning process. Your TV will save the channel it finds, and you should be able to access them through the TV's channel list. Use your LG TV remote to switch to the local channels you scanned and added to your channel list. If your LG TV doesn't have a built-in tuner or you prefer a separate device, connect your digital tuner to the TV's HDMI ports. Follow the instructions provided with your digital tuner to set it up properly. This may involve connecting it to your antenna and configuring its setting. Use your LG TV remote to select the HDMI input that the digital tuner is connected to. This could be HDMI's 1 or 2, etc. Once the digital tuner is connected and set up, follow its instructions for scanning and adding local channels. Use your LG TV remote to switch to the digital tuner's input source and access the local channels you scanned. If you found this video helpful, you can thank me with a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in another video.